You shower your door first. Shower your door.
Oh, you shower.
Shower. Okay, very good. Very good. Now we will flat our door. Flat. Flat it.
Punch it, punch.
Yay, very good. Flat it. And very good.
Very good daw.
Very good. Flat. Oh, show it to mommy. Show it to mommy.
Show to mami.
Show it to mommy. Hold it. Show it to mommy. Smile.
Very nice.
Show it to
Smile
mommy.
there.
Smile. Okay, now we will stretch our dog. We will stretch the dog. Stretch. Oh, go.
Stretch, go. Go. Very good daw.
Very good. See? Now it's same speed as this. Oh, show it to daddy. Show it to dad. Show it to your dad.
Okay, show me na. Show me.
Show it to dad.
You hold.
Hold it. Two hands. Oh, show it to daddy.
Come here.
Show it to daddy.
Very nice ah.
Very good. Okay, what flavor do you like? What flavor do you like? You want pepperoni or ham? Ham?
What?
Ay,
You like pepperoni, di ba? It's your favorite.
Di ba bigla yun? Ano pangalan siya?
Yun sir.
You want ham or pepperoni? Ay, ham na daw. Ham daw?
Ayaw niya yung kuya.
Show it to that. Show it to that. Hold it. Hold your pizza. Show it to that.
Wow. Come on.
Go to Tito.
What's that? Cheese. Nice. Yummy. Oh, pero pinapangit namin yung pizza ng pepperoni. Lah, nauna naman na siya.
So did you put sauce here? More. Ay, kaluwete pala siya. Spread. You like this? Oh, diba? Spread. And one. Here. Spread. That's enough? Enough or I will put more? I cheese na already. Okay, you put your hands together and you spread cheese. Come on, go. Go, yung spread the cheese. Spread the cheese. Yeah, the cheese. Wow. Cheese here. Cheese. The other side also. You don't have cheese here. You put all the cheese. It's okay. Here. You put cheese on here. Okay. Wow, very good. Here, cheese. Oh yes, it's empty already. Now, after you got cheese, you count the pepperoni. Oh, come on. We count together. One, two, wow. Three, four,
Si ate lang ba?
5, 6, 7, 8. How many pepperoni? 8 pepperoni. You have 8 pepperoni. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Let's go over there. We will put your 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay!